Trello cards may freeze when dragging between lists due to browser glitches, permissions, or sync issues. This affects web or app. Fixes take 2 to 10 minutes. Refresh and retry. Press Ctrl+R to hard refresh. Try dragging again. Often resolves temporary lag. Check permissions. Ensure you're a board member, not observer. Board menu. Invite. Confirm your role. If locked, ask admin to enable. Allow members to move cards. Switch browser or device. Test in Chrome or Edge Incognito or mobile app. Avoid Safari, known drag bugs. Clear cache, browser, settings, privacy, clear browsing data, cache and cookies. App, settings. Apps, Trello, clear cache and data, relaunch. Disable extensions. Turn off ad blockers, Grammarly, or dark mode tools. Re-enable one by one to isolate. Check internet and sync, stable Wi-Fi, not VPN. Open another board. If all frozen, log out and in. Contact support Trello.com/contact. Include board URL, device, and video.